Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV Q80A. In this video I'll show you how to enable intelligent mode for your TV. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter General. Go to intelligent mode settings and now enable intelligent mode for everything or for adaptive picture, adaptive voice amplifier, adaptive sound plus and adaptive volume. Thanks to adaptive volume, your TV will automatically adjust the volume based on your usage patterns and audio input. Adaptive sound plus analyzes audio content and space around your TV in real time to deliver an optimized viewing experience with stunning sound in any situation. No data is saved during the analysis. Active voice amplifier analyzes noise in real time while you are watching TV, so that voice audio can always be heard clearly. No data is saved during the analysis. And adaptive picture optimizes brightness and provides the best picture quality in real time based on the level light in your room and the content you're viewing. And that's it for intelligent mode settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.